Before you can use the SmartNet Total Care portal, the web-based platform that lets you generate a variety of reports about your network inventory, someone in your company must become a delegated administrator, a process covered in the Administration How-To video, Delegated Administration Overview. That delegated administrator can then register other users and administrators to access the SmartNet Total Care portal. Topics covered include being registered to use the portal, entitlement, different organizational roles as they relate to SmartNet Total Care, and different user roles in the portal. The registration of users of the SmartNet Total Care portal happens through the Cisco Entitlement Framework, a common access management tool for many Cisco services. If you have a Smart Assist contract, your Cisco representative works with you and submits the nomination of a delegated administrator within your organization, who will have the authority to grant access to other administrators and users. If you don't have a Smart Assist contract, you or someone within your organization can register for the role of delegated administrator online and will have the authority to grant access to other administrators and users. To be registered as the delegated administrator, you will need a contract number that is associated with your Cisco.com CCO ID and the serial number of a device on that associated contract. As a SmartNet Total Care customer, you will hear the terms entitlement and entitled company. So what is an entitled company? In the simplest sense, an entitled company is a company that has a service contract with Cisco. More specifically, it is the legal entity name that is derived from install at site information based on mapping between the install at site information on the contract and the company hierarchy information representing legal entities. Because this legal entity name is not pulled directly from the installed at description on the contract, the entitled company name displayed in the portal is not necessarily the same as the installed at site name. As a SmartNet Total Care user, you most likely perform one or more of these roles within your organization: IT Manager, Executive, IT Change Management, Contracts Administrator, Network Administrator, Network Technician, or Network Architect. We have developed features in the SmartNet Total Care portal that will help each of these roles do their job better. And we've targeted training for each of these roles, so you can easily access training on features most relevant to your job. These organizational roles fall into several categories of users of the SmartNet Total Care portal: Customer Administrator, Customer User, Cisco Branded Reseller, CBR User, and Cisco Branded Reseller, CBR Administrator. A user role in SmartNet Total Care is the role an individual has been granted when using the SmartNet Total Care interface. The roles available are built into the system. Along with the role comes certain limitations and rights that will enable and limit what each individual can do as they use the interface. New roles may be added or deleted as the service evolves. Depending on the organization, it is possible that one person may hold more than one of these roles at the same time. In that case, the data they see in the portal will be the amalgam of all the data they have access to. A customer administrator can view reports, change a customer user's access capabilities, register the collector, perform file imports, create inventory segments and associate them with users, access alerts management, and access service coverage management. They can also grant or restrict users' access to product alerts management functionality, service coverage management functionality, product alerts related information, device configuration information, CBR users visibility, user access management, specific inventories or segments, and LOA, letter of authorization access to a partner. A customer user can view the reports for the entitled company they are associated with, access product alerts related information, device configuration information, product alerts management functionality, and service coverage management functionality if granted by their administrator, access specific inventories and network segments granted by their administrator. The CBR Administrator role enables customers to allow their Cisco brand reseller to manage and use the SmartNet TotalCare portal on their behalf. The Customer Administrator must register the CBR Administrator and specify the access rights that the CBR Administrator has. These can include collector registration, file import, alerts management, service coverage management, user access management, and letter of authorization (LOA) information to other CBR users. A CBR user, Cisco branded reseller, can view the reports of the entitled company they are associated with. If granted by the customer administrator, access product alert and device configuration information, and access select information about contracts resold by other partners, when a letter of authorization exists and if granted by the customer administrator. This concludes the how-to video on SmartNet TotalCare roles and access. Thanks for watching.